Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my followers. Let me hope that this video finds everyone well. I kindly request those ones who haven't subscribed to subscribe, and then we share the contents. So here I'm here to show you some important files which can help your students or you as a teacher notes of A-level biology, chemistry, and mathematics. So in case you like any, you can let me know. I share it with you. I'm going to start with A-level notes. Under A-level notes, I have biology and chemistry. Biology, I have those topics. These are summarized notes. Chemicals of life, I have functional approach by Roberts. This is a textbook which is well known in A-level. I have gaseous exchange and homeostasis. Yeah. Then if you go to chemistry, I have inorganic, I have organic and physical. As you can see, under physical chemistry or inorganic chemistry, I have those notes. Then if you go on to check the tests, I have different tests for chemistry. I have paper 1 and paper 2. These ones, they are just tests. Paper set 1, set 2, very many of them. The same thing with paper 2. Then I have textbooks. I have USCE past papers for biology, chemistry, ICT, and all the others. So in case you need any, let me know. I forward it for you at no cost. Thank you very much, and a nice time. Don't forget to subscribe. I have more content which I can share with you as long as you request it. Thank you very much, and let me wish you to enjoy the rest of the day.